Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video I'm going to be doing a unboxing of some stuff I got from Sydney Grace for their Christmas in July sale. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright guys, and before I open, I do want to let you know I just did this eye look with the mini Xenon palette from Natasha Denona. Hopefully I'll have that one up before this. I might have them switched, so if this one goes up before, know that this eye look is coming your way and the review of that actual palette. I'm so glad to be filming again. Louisiana was hit by Hurricane Ida and it had me out. I think we was out of power for 6 days. We are blessed because we still have our home. We didn't have any actual damage to our home. So a lot of people cannot say that. So just prayers for everyone that was affected. Alright, let's get to this unboxing and stop thinking about all the bad stuff and just think about the good stuff. Alright, I did not open this. I'm so excited. I've been having it, but I couldn't open anything because of the storm. So this is what I got. I think 2 mystery bags. And I'm not sure what else. So let's see. So I picked up the green light mystery bag. Let's see. Let's put her right there for right now. And then I picked up the light purple mystery bag. And let's see what this is. I haven't took pictures of anything yet, so I doubt I will be swatching. I'm just showing you what I got. Let's see. This is the Chase Your Dreams palette. This is a 9-pen palette. So pretty. Ooh, I love it. So this is what it looks like. Look at this purple right here. So pretty. And it comes with a black. I love a good black. That is so pretty. I love it. I can't wait to swatch it. So that video will be coming up. I could do a review of this palette. I also picked up one of her magnetic palettes. Whenever they're on sale, her magnetic palettes are absolutely beautiful and amazing to have. I get them from Amazon and it's about $12. I could show you just like a basic palette. This one I get from Amazon. It's really nice. This one has some Makeup Geek shades in there. But this is a Sydney Grace magnetic palette, and it's so big. This is, I think, the biggest one. They have different sizes, and it comes with a large mirror, and then this side is magnetized for your single shadows. And I have a lot of single shadows. I like to depot my shadows. I like to separate them, organize them by color. It's just something I like to do. So let's get in and see what we got in these mystery bags. I'm super excited. Which one should I open first? Let's do the green. This is the green. These bags are super nice. Super nice. Super nice. Great quality. Ooh, let's see. The first thing I pick up. This one is, if I could open it. Let's see. Oh, that is gorgeous. This is a loose pigment. It's called Optimism. Ooh, I gotta open it up. So pretty. Ooh, look at that green. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that green. Look at the shift. Has like a gold yellowy shift. That is so pretty. I love it. Love it. That is so gorgeous. Let me close her up. I need to take pictures of this stuff, girls. And that's how it looks. Alright, let me put it back in her vest. Have y'all picked anything up from that sale? Let me know. So this is another thing I pick up. It looks like Sydney Grace. It's called Haley. Ooh, this looks like a cream lipstick. Oh, that is so pretty. That is a shade that I would love. You know, I love my mauves and my pink berry colors. That's so pretty. Look at, oh, it smells good. Oh, it smells like vanilla cake. Look how pretty the packaging is. So pretty. I love it. Alright, so the next thing in here is some shadows. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shadows. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Z palette for right now. When I pull these shades out, and I'll place them in the Z palette. This one is 1.8 grams. Pull her out. This is Legendary, which is a matte. Oh, so soft. So it's like it's a gray. Kind of like a taupe. The next one I pick out, this is another 1.8 gram, which is a smaller. This one says Kiss Me, I'm Irish. It's a green, like a hunter green. Look how pretty that is. Oh. Oh yeah. So it has like a little yellow undertone. That's so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. This one is another 1.8 gram. Ooh, and it's a shimmer, 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 shimmer. This one's a mint chocolate chip. Look at that, how pretty. So soft. I mean, it is so soft. Ooh, it complements that green so well. Look how pretty these shades look together. These three. That is so pretty. Oh, so soft, so soft. The next one is another 1.8 gram. This one's called Emerald Eyes. Oh, it's another shimmer. Look how beautiful. That is so pretty. Let's feel it. Let's feel it. Oh, it's so soft. It's another green. Oh my gosh, look at that green. So pretty. And that's just one swipe. Let's build it up. Look at that. So pretty. I absolutely love and recommend Sydney Grace's shimmers. Yes, definitely. This is another 1.8. Let's see. Ooh, this one is a really dark green, like a grungy green. So pretty. Oh, it's so soft. Look how pigmented that is. Oh, wow. Look at the opacity in that color. That's absolutely beautiful. And then the last one in the green mystery bag, and this is the light. This one is a 7 gram highlighter, and this one is in Swinging Vines. Look how big that shade is. Let's see. Ooh, it's like a peach. Look at that. That is like a peach. That is absolutely beautiful. Let me see if I can add a little bit more. Look at that. Look at that color. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Alright. So that's it for the green. So let's get on to the purple. I love this color. It's so pretty. Look at how nice that is. Ooh. Alright, so let's see what's in the purple. This says Blossom. So this says Blossom. That's the back. Let's see. So this is actually a cream shadow. Look how pretty that is. It's like a pinkish plum. So pretty. It's like a metallic and it dried down really nice. Ooh, I love it. I can't wait to play with it. Alright, so the next one is a 1.8 Pan Eyeshadow. Let's see what we got. This one says Sweet Jubilee. Look how pretty that is. Let me swatch it. I believe I have the shade. It's kind of like a burnt brown. It looks like it's kind of purple in the pan, but when you blend it, you could still see like the purplish in it, but it blends down to that shade. So pretty. Let me put this bag up here. Let's see the next one. This is another 1.8 shadow. This one's called Ethereal. This one looks like this in a pan. So it looks a little darker than the other one. Ooh, so it still has that tint, that hint of purple undertone. It's like a plum, but like real darker. Really pretty. Let's see, the next one I got is going to be this one is called, there's nothing on the back of it. They forgot to put the sticker on the back, but it looks like a lilac. Let's swatch it. That one's really pretty. It's swatched really nice. It's swatched really nice. I noticed that these two right here, I don't know how they're going to work on the eyes, but they are a little patchy when swatched. Alright, so the next one, and I'm going to have to pull up to see what color that is, because I like to label my pots. This one is a shimmer, and it says Lovely Lavender. This looks so pretty, and it feels so good. OMG, look at that color. Look at that. That is so pretty. That purple is so pretty. Alright, the next one we're gonna have is called Amethyst. I think I have this shade. Amethyst. I love this. So it's like more of a pinky purple. Definitely beautiful and swatched like butter. Beautiful. I'm all swatched up. Alright, 2 more. So this one looks like maybe a highlighter. Let's see. Oh, this is a blush. This one's called Flower Crown Blush. It's a real pink blush, which I love pink blush. It's very soft. That is so, it has a sheen to it. You see that? It's this one right here. So pretty. And then the last one in that bag, let's see what this is. This is a highlighter. This one's called Majestic. Ooh, this one's so pretty. Ooh, that's popping. Girl, look at that. That is so pretty. So that is the last one in the bag. I think I'm going to do an eye look out of each bag because I can make it work. I'm glad that they gave us that. They gave us a variety of colors that kind of complemented each other so we could do eye looks. This one was in the green bag, which I absolutely love the way all of these swatched. They swatched so pretty. It swatched like butter on my arm. These purples are absolutely beautiful. These two right here was a little patchy on my swatches. I'm interested to find out how they will perform on the eyes itself. So let's see. These are all swatched just like butter, just like the other shades. So I can't wait to play with these eyeshadows. I can't wait to play with them. So we got a lipstick, we got a loose pigment that is absolutely beautiful, and we got this Chase Your Dreams palette that I can't wait to play with, and also this cream eyeshadow to play with. So that is all I got in my mystery bundles and what I got from the Sydney Gray sale. Have y'all picked anything up? Let me know. Let's talk about it in the comments below. Have y'all tried any of these things? Have y'all picked up anything? Alright guys, I will definitely have some more videos of some eye looks, so I hope y'all interested in that. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Y'all stay blessed.